I'm in the picture. I'm in the picture. I'm in the picture.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the fire case. We organize activities to visit the Bright Hill. If you would like to join, please come to reception. We will start in 10 minutes. Thank you and enjoy the trip.
10 minutes, right. Okay, so next activity, we're jumping on this tender out there. We're going to go and explore some of the local caves. So yeah, it's more action-packed, folks, isn't it? So that's the next activity. So come on. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, I nearly fell over then. Oh, I nearly fell over then. And Barry is up there. He's flying his drone, and hopefully he's going to get some really good drone shots of Halong Bay. Cheers, boss. I think we're okay. 1, 2. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Oh, look. Look who's over there. Look. Let's get a picture.
Yeah, I already told them that you want to take a picture.
Okay, come on, let's get you. Okay. Yeah, I can. Okay. Oh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, where am I sitting? I'm in the picture. I'm in the picture. I'm in the picture.
Mọi người tự chia sẻ cho nhau. Nào, 1, 2, 3. Cái xong nữa. 2, 3. Rồi đi rồi.
Got it. Oh, I've done it, yeah. Okay. Alright, thank you. That's right. Thanks for that. That's good. Thanks, people. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Never miss a photo opportunity, folks. I really enjoyed that, I tell you. Jim Andrews mixing it with the Chinese. Great, isn't it, eh? Good picture of that. I'm single. Do you want me to jump in there, anybody? Okay. Sorry?
You can still come with us.
Alright, okay. I promise I'll be filming with my camera, but I promise not to annoy you, don't worry. 4, yeah, 4. Thank you.
So we have time to walking around here.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Okay.
Suits me.
Yeah, you're right.
Long legs.
Alright.
I'm good up here.
Alright. Oh, they're so loud, aren't they? Hi. Oh. Hi. Oh. Bye. Thanks for coming. Hi. Thank you. Oh. Hi. There we go. Oh. That's stalactite, isn't it? Yeah, is that right? Stalactite is going down, is that right? Is it? And stalagmite goes up. Might reach the top. Might. Tight, might, yeah.
Stalactite. I always remembered it. C for ceiling.
Oh, right, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Do for this? How many times?
I was thinking, I was hoping it's just a morning shift.
Morning shift, yeah. I better get very.
You know, the morning excursion,
let's get-
everyone's doing this.
Oh, the mornings, yeah.
Hoping.
Yeah, keep him fit, wouldn't it, eh?
Great.
Ah. Okay, thank you. Thank you. After you, mate. Right, okay. After you, young lady, and I'll go now. Yeah, I know. Okay, thanks. Cheers, thank you. Thank you. Oh, that was fun. I enjoyed that.
Yes, that was fantastic.
Well, watch that. Gosh.
I know. Kind of like look down.
I know, you have to.
Trying to look up and see all the fabulous up stuff, but trying not to fall on my face at the
I know. Yeah, that was lovely. Bye. Thanks. Thank you. Cheers. High five. High five. High five. Thanks, mate. Thank you. Love it. Love it. Love it. Look at this. We're last off the boat again. Okay. Thank you, young lady. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. What a view you have here.
Why?
Beautiful, isn't it?
Why?
Yeah. Beautiful. Oh. I want to wear the captain's hat. Here we go, yeah. Look at this. Oh, wow.
Captain.
Is it too? Can I be the captain now?
Captain.
Wow, okay.
Captain.
We can do the picture. Wow, look at that, Jim Andrews. Do you think I'd pass as the captain, eh? Yeah?
Okay.
Is he impressed?
Oh, okay.
It's okay. Thank you. Okay, Captain, thank you very much for your hat. Look at this, eh? Wow. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. The captain, yeah, okay. Thank you, Captain. Huh? Wow, there he is. It looks better on the captain. Dean McMahon, it looks good. It looks very good. Yeah. It looks, on him, it looks very, very good. On me, it's not very good at all. I don't look professional enough, do I? I'd crash the boat. So there you go. Okay, Captain, I'll leave you in peace. Thank you. Thank you. Can we get a high five? High five? High five. Wow, okay, thanks. Guys, I'm going. High five? High five. High five. Whoa. High five. Whoa, and last guy. High five, thank you. Okay, thank you very much, thank you. Good point by Basil there. So this looks like a bit of a queue here. Well, you can see right down there. So we're queuing in to go back into the port now. And that's the 2 days done. There you go. Oh, it's a ginger. It's a ginger one. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? I'll tell you what, if they could get these sails up, that would be absolutely amazing, wouldn't it? Eh? I haven't seen any of these boats with the sails up for some reason. There she comes. How close is that? I'm speechless, I'm speechless. I have to say, Halong Bay, Vietnam, this has to be one of the nicest places I've ever visited in the world. So you must get this on your bucket list, folks. You must come to Vietnam. Thank you for Barry. Barry had to spend 2 days with me filming all the time and giving it a bit of that. So thank you, Barry. So yeah, I've had a great time. So what we're doing now, we're going back into the port, back on that minibus, 2 hours back to Hanoi. So yeah, we're not the last, are we?
Yes.
We're the last. We're the last. We are the last. Jim Andrews had to be the last person on the pilot boat, didn't he? Eh? Safety first though. Yeah, I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Right, cheers boss. High five. High five. High five. Thanks mate. Thanks. Okay. Any more high fives? Oh, high five. High five. High five. And high five. Okay, good. You did it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. 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 Oh, how embarrassing is that? Right, that's very embarrassing. High five.
High five.
High five. High five. Another one. God, I've got loads of high fives. Thank you. Oh, very good. Ah, look, that's my suitcase. Yeah. First off the boat. Oh. So there you go, back at the port now, just waiting for the minibus to arrive and then back to Hanoi.
Yeah. This is the man here.
Yeah. This is the one.
How are you today?
Yeah, very good.
How was your trip in Halong Bay? Do you have a good time in Halong Bay, right?
Yeah, it's got a very good time.
Right now we are come back to Hanoi.
Yeah.
Dog,
Yeah.
cat,
How about dog?
mouse, and snake.
Dog, cat, mouse and snake.
Yes.
Yeah, I like
Dog,
snake.
cat, mouse is cheaper.
Yeah.
Snake is
Yeah.
$1,000 for 1 kilogram. And can you choose? I think dog or cat or mouse is better.
How much is a snake? 1,000.
$1,000
1,000.
for 1 kilogram. It's a cobra.
It's a cobra, is it?
Yeah, right.
It's a cobra, is it? Can I share it with somebody?
Yes.
I'll try
but
the
minimum is 1 kilogram.
Oh, there's
I don't have half kilogram.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Have a nice holiday. Bye. I am exhausted. What a lovely bunch of people. I'm going to finish this film now. It's been a great day. There it is. Thanks very much. All the best, mate. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. All the best. All the best. All the best. Yeah, we're going to finish this film now. So I hope you enjoyed it, folks. Back to the hotel, me and Barry. There's Barry there. Barry there. Good. So thumbs up if you enjoyed the film. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Catch you soon, folks. All the best. Bye.